guys, welcome to My Reacts. I'm Yusuf.
And I'm Ashley.
And today we're reacting to The Masked Singer again.
Yes.
And he's doing Set Fire to the Rain. And last time he did, I'm trying to think real quick, Zombie. And we didn't really know that song that well. And it was really good. It was very theatrical, very artsy, and I appreciate it from him. He's from Thailand. That's kind of dope.
Yes.
It's pretty dope.
Pretty cool.
So I don't really know what to expect with the Set Fire to the Rain.
I'm excited though because we actually know Set Fire to the Rain, so it's gonna be exciting to see him like perform
Cover
that
it, yeah.
We already know it.
And he had fire in his last performance too with
I
Zombie.
know, he might have rain and fire. Who knows?
Ooh, we might incorporate the water. But before we get started, guys, be sure to drop a big thumbs up down below, subscribe if you like us, and comment down below what we should react to next. Maybe more performances of The Masked Singer.
Yes. Other than that, let's get right in.
Okay, let's go. Let's get in.
Cool setting, stage already.
Sorry, this is good.
Can you see it?
Yeah, that's fine. There you go.
I set fire to the rain, another one listened to the
He kind of reminds me of Gaga
when it
with his outfits.
Yeah.
Cause I knew that
What?
was the last time.
I thought he would just be in the beak costume again.
No, I didn't think he'd be in the beak.
Oh, really?
No.
No, I completely... Look at that.
This guy's me.
This guy's he has a very precise bowl cut.
I let it fall, my heart, as it fell, you're so plain.
Who designs his
It
outfits?
was hard, and I was over.
How's he getting his mic so quick?
I know.
And you saved me. My hands, they strong, but my knees were far too weak.
Like, judge us like this? He's like, oh, that's me.
In your arms, without falling to your
The song's not easy to get, and when you, like, she goes through those
There's a
notes.
side to you that I never knew all the things you'd say, never true, and the games you play, you would always win, but I set fire.
Hey. See that editing with that drum?
Yeah.
Ooh. I love the judges' reactions.
We'd be such fun, like, live judges.
I
Oh
literally,
my gosh.
so
Can you imagine?
who wants us to judge?
Seriously, fly us out there.
I could stay, close my eyes, feel you here.
Ooh.
Forever, you and me together, nothing gets better. 'Cause there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say, never true, and the games you play, you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Well, it burned while I cried 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. I set fire to the rain, and
Whoever edited these papers, it's really looks like they're there. Looks like the paper's like literally in the room, but it's obviously not.
Yeah.
Thailand got that good editing.
Yeah. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Show the range. I love the judges.
Woo! Boy slayed me. Boy slayed my life.
Yes, that's
Like,
so fun.
I didn't expect him to have an outfit change. That's like the one thing I thought he was gonna be in that damn beak again.
Is he really?
Yeah, he
I
straight up
didn't,
thought
I
that.
didn't think he was gonna be in the beak. I definitely thought he was gonna change.
And I didn't know he had that type of range on him. On the zombie video, like, sure, yeah, he's singing really well, but this one he went up there, you know, and I really appreciate that about him. So,
he really brought it this time.
brought it this
He really
time.
showed us what he could do.
But if you like us and like us in general, be sure to drop a big thumbs up down below, subscribe, and comment down below what we should react to next. Other than that, guys,
We'll see you later. Bye.
bye.